Trevor Williams here with the Williams key. This is the newest product in our line. This is the XXXL Magnum HD. It's a little bit longer than our first gen Magnum. It's 35 inches long and a little bit thicker too, 14 gauge. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enter a gate a couple different ways. So first way you can do with this gate is reach over, grab the handle. That's specific to this gate, but the best reason to have a longer Williams key is to get through this long entire door anti-vandal. In that case, there we go. Once you have it open, you take your door jamb, this will keep it open. Magnum.